Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. Our mind is capable of planning for 500 years or 1000 years or even more number of years. But our body is struggling to reach 100 years. Why is it so? Studies have shown that if we are able to keep our mind clean, body with suitable regular exercise along with proper diet will enable our body to reach 100 years or even more. In this video, you will learn more about how you can enable your body, your mind and your spirit so that you can lead your life happy, effective and successful. Stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more about these. Time is life. Once it's gone forever. Say no to everything that doesn't create positive energy in you or people around you. Studies have shown that 41% of the items that people put on their to-do list are never done at all. Means to-do list is the graveyard of important but not urgent items. When you truly realize how valuable a single minute is, money you can lose it and earn it again. You can get sick and get healthy again. Time, once it's gone forever. Time is life. This is called lifetime tracker. The tracker takes just average values and hence may not be showing the exact number of years, but surely it gives us some idea about how our daily habits or routines get compounded at our lifetime level. This tracker automatically calculates the number of years you spend in certain activities as daily habit or the daily way of your living. The purpose of this tracker is to show you whatever you do on daily basis as a habit or routine, how it's going to take its share in your lifetime. The time is precious and we need to look into our unproductive daily habits or routines and cut them off. Let's say that a person lives for 100 years. Every day he sleeps an average of 8 hours. So 33 years are gone just sleeping. This person spends daily 2 hours to travel and shopping. So 8 years of his lifetime is gone for traveling and shopping. Similarly, you can calculate your daily waiting time for buses, trains, at airports, etc. Here in this calculation, daily 30 minutes means it's going to be 1 year of his lifetime. The complaining, crying, blaming, etc. daily 1 hour means it's going to be 4 years of his lifetime. 1.5 hours of daily emails, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. may consume 5 years of lifetime. Similarly, 30 minutes of daily gossiping, finding faults with others, politics, etc. may take 1 year of the lifetime. If the person has a habit of negative self-talks on an average of 3 hours per day, it's going to be 13 years of investment in his lifetime. Now let's see the productive activities like doing exercise, meditation, working on your purpose, building relationships, prayer, learning new things, etc. In this way, you may also check your daily habits or routines and see its impact at your lifetime level. Following are the 13 golden rules to practice. 1. Always remember that time is your most valuable and scarcest resource. 2. Identify your most important and urgent tasks and do it first. Identify and break down the activities into small tasks. Identify what tasks you can do on day wise so that you can see progress towards your achieving goals. Number 3. Work from calendar, not from to-do list. Stop doing to-do list. Study says that 41% of to-do list is never been done. To-do list is the graveyard of important but not urgent items. If you want something to be done, pick a day and duration and work from the calendar. Number 4. Procrastination is the enemy of your growth. Number 5. There will always be more to do. So balance your responsibilities and accountabilities. Number 6. Always carry a notebook. Number 7. Control your time on emails, WhatsApp, Facebook and social media. Number 8. Say no to everything that doesn't make sense. Number 9. Remember 80% of your results are coming from 20% of your activities. 10. Focus on your unique strengths and passion. 11. Don't delay the activities that you can do in less than 5 minutes. 12. Daily use early mornings to strengthen your mind, your body and your spirit. Your productivity of the day depends on your state of the mind, the state of the body and your spirit in the first 1 hour of your day. 13. Productivity is about energy and focus, not time. Use the principle of sprint and rest. Take breaks in between your work. Prolonged work may lead to fatigue. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.